Welcome back again. If you're wondering how to make a slide like this, don't worry, I will show you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Insert a new rectangle from the Shapes menu. Cover the entire canvas. Right-click on the rectangle and go to Format Shape. Remove the outlines and select a lighter color of your choice. Insert a new text box and type a heading. Change the font family and font size as shown in the video. Increase the letter spacing as well. Insert another text box and type a subheading. Place it right below the previous text box. Change the font and font size. Increase the line spacing. Select the rectangle and the two text boxes. Go to the Format option and merge them using the Combine option. Go to Shape Effects and change the shadow to inner. Insert a new image and ensure it covers the entire text area. Right-click and send it backward. Insert another image. Adjust the image size until it covers the text area. Drag the image to the right side. Right-click and send it backward. Insert a new rectangle and draw it on the right side of the canvas. Remove the outlines and change the color to black. Close both the image and the rectangle as shown in the video. Select the rectangle and go to the Animation section. Add a line animation and change the direction from right to left. Click on the red arrowhead and drag it to the left side until it passes both the heading and subheading. Add the same animation to the image. Select the image. and change the start configuration. Finally, go to the animation pane. Select both animations. Right-click and select timing. Increase the smooth end. Use this trick for your PowerPoint designs.